Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford E-250 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we're going to go right down here. There should be a lever right here you can pull. That kind of pop sound was the safety release. This should have some tension to it. If it doesn't, you probably have to go inside the plastic, but you want to make sure there's tension there with whatever cables are attached or should be attached. Now we'll go up to the hood, and then it should be a little loose. You can reach your hand in. Most vehicles have a lever right in the kind of by the middle of the emblem. This one is right here, so we'll push and lift. So push, lift. There's the hook that it's hooked onto. And then that's what the latch looks like. And that's how it should work. If you're having issues with this, maybe you have some debris stuck in here, maybe it needs a little E-250 to loosen it. Sometimes if your hood's not aligned properly, you might need to adjust everything center again. And then it should work. In worst case, these parts are fairly affordable to replace if needed, same with the cables. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.